This is Spider-Man with the symbiote. This Purist Custom is based on the comics, the new PS4 game with Symbiote Spider-Man, Spider-Man 2. He gets the symbiote many times in the comics, and he fights Venom. And we're going to be using this minifigure to make our Symbiote Spider-Man. And it's very easy to make this, but it's a bit hard to obtain this piece. It's only been in one set, the Micro Fighters, and it's Magneto. When you turn the head around, we get this face. And it's just perfect for Spider-Man with the symbiote. So, if you didn't know, this minifigure does actually exist. It was at Comic-Con, which means that obviously it's expensive and it's hard to find. So it's easier to just do this. Boom, there you have it. And it's that easy. You just need one part and a very common Venom minifigure. I have two. These are slightly different. Pick whichever one you think fits best. The really only difference is the musculature on the two torsos. Any Venom minifigure will do.